Welcome to our new series, 2-Minute Tours, where we will be featuring multiple home tours in one video, featuring each home for 2 minutes. So let's welcome these ladies here today and tour their stunning homes.
Hi, I'm Amber Zimmer, and welcome to our home. As you can see, we went with white board and batten for a modern farmhouse feel, black windows and black doors throughout, the cedar details on the front porch, also on the back as well, white mortar for our brick. Come on inside. One of the must-haves I wanted for our home was the tall ceilings as soon as you stepped in the front door. I also love this statement wall, painted in iron ore by Sherwin-Williams. We also wanted to showcase the view, so wanted all the open windows so you could see right from the front through the back of the house to the lake view. This brick wall is one of my favorite details in the whole house. It is the same brick that we used on the outside as well. And as we head into the kitchen, once again, we wanted to showcase the view from the kitchen. And the backsplash behind the oven was originally supposed to match the same backsplash as the window wall. That was a last minute change, actually the week they were supposed to lay it. And I am so glad we made that last minute decision. I feel like it really makes a bigger statement this way. And the beam in the kitchen matches our fireplace mantel beam. And our laundry room barn door matches our pantry door in the kitchen. Coming into our master bathroom here, custom wardrobes on the left, separate vanities, and then you'll see that there's that backsplash we have in the kitchen. We loved it so much, we had to use it twice. I love the modern industrial feel of the cable railing, which we also used on our deck. And when you have kids, you have to have the lockers to hide all the stuff. This half bath was the first room I designed for our house. I felt like it was easiest to start with the smallest room. I love the dark walls and the gold details. This is our kids' bathroom. I actually narrowed down the selections and let my daughter make the final choice for the tile and the shower wall. You can follow me on Instagram at AmberZim to see more of my house, and a big thank you to Holly for inviting me along on the tours.
Welcome to our home. Here's the view when you walk in our front door. I DIY'd this wainscoting and our coffered ceiling. We have casement windows all along the front, and then just to save a buck, did double hung throughout the rest of the home on the back and sides. Opens into our family room. And to the right when you walk in is my husband's office, which was a bedroom with an entrance in the hallway around the corner, but we changed it into his office. And we have 2 hallways on either side of the fireplace. Here we go into our guest bedroom and bathroom. Headboard made out of antique remnant flooring. And then walking back out to the other hallway. This is just a teenage son's room with an ensuite bathroom. That's the cleanest you're gonna see it. A view of our dining room, family room, kitchen area. I'll move on to the kitchen. 10-foot ceilings, took the cabinets all the way up. The little breakfast area off to the side. That's our main bedroom and bath back there. And then this was supposed to be a butler's pantry, but we turned it into my office. Goes into our pantry, nothing fancy. We do have a Costco door, so we slide our groceries directly in from our garage, straight into the pantry. Off of the kitchen and breakfast nook into this hallway is our main bedroom. My husband and I DIY'd the 14-foot vaulted ceiling shiplap, which I do not recommend for your marriage, and into the main bath.
If you enjoyed today's video, I have the perfect video for you. I have it right here and I will see you on over.